The future of Safe Spot is that it will get bigger and better. Safe Spot is a baby in the child protection world, but it has already had many firsts. For example, we started in May of 2021, and by January of 2022, we were a certified member of Child Helpline International, which is the global standard for helplines across the world. And having spoken to the managing director of Child Helpline International, he says we need to come to Jamaica to learn from you how you were able to get all of your infrastructure in place so quickly to ensure that you could have satisfied our requirements, because it's the first time in the history of Child Helpline International that a helpline has done that. So that's one example that shows the tenacity of our people in terms of our team, the depth of our expertise, and above all, our commitment. We have our policies in place as well that give us that launch pad to be a service that has integrity and one that can serve children in a very comprehensive way. And we have established ourselves as a key component, not the sole component, but a key part of the child protection sector through our referral map, for example, where our team knows that if there is an issue that requires support from any other player in the child protection sector or at the community level or in the health services, here are the routes that we link them in, because we're about providing complete support and solution for any child who reaches out to us.
We're in the works of planning, we're targeting campaigns to males. Well, quite also people may not know, males don't talk. They will just act or they'll just isolate themselves. So we're hoping to enact those campaigns as soon as possible so that we can get the young men talking, we can get them in, we can find out what's on their mind, what's in their hearts, and how we can help them best. So possibly in the next 4 to 5 years, I hope that Safe Spot is not just national, but regional. That, you know, as Jamaicans, we dominate the space in the Latin American and Caribbean region.